I get a lot of questions on how to set up, how to measure your template, how to measure your banner, how you make the paper fit on your wall. So I'm gonna show you how I do it because I think for me it works really well. Then try. So I started projecting my banner on the wall. So you're gonna see now, then you kind of can see where it is. I'm not putting my paper first on the wall and then try to set up my projector to project exactly the same, because to me it sounds a little hard. I start with the projector image so I can really set up my paper on top of it. No measuring, no suffering, no crying, no tears. So I'm gonna show you. I got a little darker. You see my projector is on, as you can see my hand. And then now the side is fine, and the side is fine. So now I can just center here all my way. Check the bottom. The bottom is always more important. So we're gonna clip right there. And we're gonna come this side. And we're going to pin right there, pin right here. And then we're gonna go the same way, pulling all the excess of the paper because you don't want any bubble. Gonna get 2 more pins and then pull on my paper. Pin. And then pull on my paper and pen. And now I have my paper centered on my projector without suffering or like trying to adapt the size, because I'm not really good at project. If it gives any trouble, I just scream for my husband to help me because I can't do it. So if you want to learn how to make a banner, because this, you can paint with a piece of paper. I'm pretty sure brown paper you can find anywhere. Dollar Tree, Target, Amazon, Walmart, anywhere. And paint, acrylic paint. So subscribe so you can find me again, and then you can see the second step in how to trace it, all my tricks and things I learned. And then to learn how to paint. Comment below if you want to learn something in specific, whatever they are into it now. I have, just for you guys to know, to don't miss, I have Toy Story coming. I have Bluey coming, and I think I have a Little Mermaid coming. So if you want to learn how to make them, just come back, subscribe so you don't miss me. Bye!